Hello and welcome to the Coding Bytes. I am Abhishek Parmar, and in this video we will see a notification from TCS. So there is a big announcement for all of you. So TCS has started the registration for the TCS NQT 2021, which is going to be conducted in the month of August and November. So now let's see how you can apply for the TCS NQT, which is going to be conducted in the month of August and November. So the link of this page will be given in the description of this video. So you just have to click on that link and you will land up to this page. So as you can see, the applications are open for August 2021 and November 2021 exams. Now first of all, let's see the eligibility criteria. So who can apply? So any undergraduate, postgraduate or diploma student in their pre-final year and final year can apply for the TCS NQT 2021. And students with any degree and specialization discipline, which means if you have BE, BTech, BCA or any degree, you can still apply for TCS NQT. And freshers with less than 2 years of experience, which means if you are a fresher and you are working but you should have less than 2 years of experience, then you can still apply for TCS NQT. Now let's see some of the details about this test. So NQT cognitive skills is a prerequisite for all the tests, which means if you are going to attend TCS NQT, then cognitive skills test is compulsory to attend before attending any of the tests. And there is a 2-year validity of TCS NQT score. So for example, if you give the test in November, so it will be valid for 2 years. And this test can be conducted at home or physical center. So as you know, there is a lockdown situation in our country. So as per the current situation, most probably the test will be conducted in online mode only. Candidates with NQT score will be eligible to apply for the TCS ION job portal. So once you get the scorecard, you can apply for various jobs in the multiple companies which are associated with TCS. There are many companies which will hire through TCS NQT. So the first one is TCS itself, and the second is Tata Electronics, Titan, Equifax, and then Data Patterns, Chroma, Vistry, and there are many such companies which are going to hire through TCS NQT score only. So make sure you attend this particular drive. Now if you are going to attend TCS NQT 2021, then we have a special course for you, which is TCS NQT Success Pack. So in this particular course, you will get 6 previous year solved papers in which the reasoning ability questions are 180 plus, and there are 150 plus quantitative aptitude questions, then 150 verbal ability, 60 programming logic question and answers, then 20 plus coding question and answer, then there are 100 technical interview question and 80 HR interview question. So this is more than enough if you want to crack TCS NQT. And there is a special 50% early bird discount which is given on this particular course. So the link of this page is also given in the description of this video. So do check out and have a look. So this was a quick update about TCS. If you don't want to miss more such opportunities, please subscribe to this channel, and thanks for watching.